Jinan Sign CNC Equipment Company Limited is a reliable and trusted CNC machine supplier in Jinan, China. Our company is engaged in production of CNC router, laser machine, and metal cutter. Has core advantages in the field of machine production and foreign trade. Our products include CNC router machine, ATC woodworking center, foam machining center, and various types of woodworking machines, laser cutting machine, laser welding cleaning machine, and laser marking machine. The whole production process is carefully designed and strictly controlled to guarantee machine precision and quality. All accessories are strictly selected from original first-line brands to ensure excellent quality. Our installation team, with more than 10 years of experience, strictly follows the design drawings for assembly. Our R&D team focuses on providing strong technical support and enable us to obtain OEM, ODM projects. We insist the principle of quality proves attitude and strength. We have established business cooperation with customers in more than 50 countries, including the United States, Canada, Chile, Mexico, Russia, France, Italy, Poland, Norway, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, and Brazil. Sign CNC will provide the whole process technical services, from inquiry to after-sales stage. All customers have an exclusive after-sales service team, and all after-sales problems will receive effective feedback within 12 hours. And we provide 2-year warranty, free training, and technician support. Welcome to visit our factory. Hope to work with you.